Better nigga gon' know about me before I leave it, bitch. Better nigga gon' know about me before I leave it, bitch. Better nigga gon' know about me before I leave it, bitch. Better nigga gon' know about me before I leave it, bitch.
If you got 2 hoes, you need to let one go. 2 Lambos, you need to let one go. All these drones while y'all smoke drunk, there's an iron sky. I'm trying to let y'all know. Yeah, yo. All I do is yeah, yo. Every time you hit the block, that hoe, she be on go.
Don't interject, don't intercept. You ain't on a jet. You ain't meet a bitch with this kind of money yet.
Y'all nigga move that dope. Y'all nigga move that dope.
Is we fucking when we leave the club or not?
Fuck nigga, what you talking about? We don't talk it out. We yell, take the right, talk it out.
Down for my motherfucking nigga. Jumping from the bullet for my motherfucking nigga. On the stand.
Girls on the pole, yelling make me rich. Girls on my shows wanna take my pick. Yeah, we can do this here all night. Can't tell me nothing, can't tell me shit.
I know what I know, and man, that's all I know. That's all I know. Take 63 girls and try to make them fuck.
But I'm telling you, it's my world. I does what I wish to. If you're mad, well, too bad. Sounds like a personal issue.
That sounds like a personal issue.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Walked away like that boy Ross. Murcielago with the doors off. Hit the club straight, throw it off. Popped the molly, then rolled off. She had her clothes off before we drove off. Woo! My nigga, her head game, I'ma tell you about it, but woo! My nigga had 10 racks, she sucked me out of it.
I don't like no bitch niggas. I can't stand no hoes, nigga. I don't deal with no racks, no, but I taste that cheese, no velvet.
Tip my swag, ho. Tip my swag, ho. Tip my swag, ho. I'm poppin' tags.
Get ready for action. Get ready.
Codeine ain't even po yet. I can spend millions of dollars and still won't even be po yet. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking poet. Right now, motherfucker own that. And if I went up for such shirt, then it's a motherfucker thought I got a crib in my closet. Got a crib in my closet.
They get referee, they know I ain't black gun, white work. I got jungle fun, done. 8, Gale, y'all out talking, eat rich on me. Get money, break, yellow, feed your people. Every day like Thanksgiving, everybody.
She told me swagger on the beat.
Shit, I'm tipping with that fofo. Mr. 1,008 grams. Mr. Prices, they too high for me. I love all my young niggas.
Just because
I woke up in the morning, high as hell.
Stop them Beverly. What's on your mind? I'm not genuine. I ain't tryna spend no time.
Good.
Prepare the transformer.
Caught him up like nigga need that said that money good, my mouth pulled up like skirt. He ain't playing with it. That bitch the permanent, he staying with it. Yeah, he tryna live his dream, so he laying with it. And I helped him cross the border. Now he finally seen his daughter. And his Vato just got shot up. He hit the block and all you heard was block.